If you're into smartwatches but there's no Apple Watch on any of your wrists, chances are that you're using a Samsung wearable or have at least considered one. Hey, it's John Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about Galaxy Watch 5. Samsung is one of the front runners in the wearables arms race, where it is actually collaborating with Google quite intensely in terms of software development. And with the new Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, Samsung is definitely enriching the smartwatch space with a rather intriguing offering that's tough enough to endure harsher usage conditions, but also live to tell the tale unscathed at that. At the same time, it lacks the somewhat off-putting and gimmickly rugged design that many of those conventional watches possess, and it easily passes as a rather smart dress watch, with a battery to easily last you at least 2 days of mixed to heavy usage and a bunch of features that fit rather nicely with its durable nature. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is easily the best smartwatch you can get for your Android device and the ultimate one to go with your Galaxy phone. What's new about the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? Okay, so it has a sapphire crystal glass and titanium body, larger 590 mAh battery, exclusive GPS guidance plus trackback, improved sleep tracking, new temperature sensor which is disabled at launch, enhanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is, to put things lightly, one imposing and large smartwatch, noticeably taller and heavier than, say, an Apple Watch for example. It comes in a single, one-size-fits-all 45mm size. Fully made of titanium and sapphire glass, the latest flagship Galaxy Watch is a solid and rather sturdy cross between a dress watch and a heavy-duty trekking companion, which might look just a little bit intimidating when you first put it on your wrist. Thanks to the large battery inside, it's a rather thick gadget that literally and figuratively stands out, and it definitely might be a bit harder to hide that one up under your sleeve. Still, it's not uncomfortable to wear this one. The regular Galaxy Watch 5 is way more comfortable in this regard. Is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro the best wearable on Android so far? Yes, definitely. It has all the bells and whistles you could expect from a smartwatch in late 2022 and tops it all up with battery life that just delivers. In case battery life has been your biggest pet peeve with Wear OS smartwatches, this watch is the answer you have been waiting for, and it resides in arguably the most diverse ecosystem on Android, Samsung's one. The biggest shortcoming of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to me is the removal of a rotating hardware bezel. With the risk of sounding like a broken record, I really feel that one would have matched with the rugged nature of the Watch 5 Pro rather nicely, as well as boosting the overall utility and functionality. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is definitely the wearable to consider if you're using an older Samsung smartwatch, or if you're using a Galaxy phone and looking to enrich your user experience with a wearable. Starting at $449, it's certainly costlier than the similar Galaxy Watch 5. But its super big battery life and exclusive guidance features are definitely worth it. So that's everything it, guys. Let me know if you wanna buy it or skip it. And also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.